Ladies and gentlemen, let me paint you a picture. You're cruising down the road, minding your own business, when suddenly you see the NIO EVE concept. A car so futuristic it makes every other car look like it rolled straight out of a 1980s sitcom. It's sleek, it's smooth, and it looks like it was designed by aliens who passed an engineering exam with flying colors. The NIO EVE is like the spaceship we all dreamed of as kids but somehow got stuck with minivans instead. Before we dive headfirst into this automotive masterpiece, do me a solid, smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It keeps us rolling with more cool ideas like this, and let's be honest, who doesn't love geeking out over futuristic cars? Okay, back to the NIO EVE. This concept car was first unveiled in 2017 by NIO, the Chinese EV brand that clearly wants to redefine what it means to drive. The EVE isn't just a car, it's a living room on wheels. If your living room also happened to be smarter than you. The design screams minimalism and luxury, with clean lines and a glass-heavy canopy that makes you feel like you're floating through the stars. NIO has completely done away with the traditional B-pillar, replacing it with sliding doors for that ultra-smooth entry, because nothing says futuristic like doors that slide open like an elevator. Inside, it gets even more insane. The cabin of the NIO EVE concept looks less like a car interior and more like a tech billionaire's lounge. There are no traditional seats. Instead, NIO gives you reclining lounge chairs and a wraparound sofa because, clearly, sitting upright is so last century. It's all designed around autonomous driving. That's right, this thing drives itself. You just kick back, grab your coffee, and let the EVE do the heavy lifting. NIO describes it as your digital companion, kind of like your best friend, but smarter, faster, and probably better at navigation. Under the hood, or wherever NIO decided to stash the powertrain, the EVE is fully electric. While exact specifications weren't released, NIO's other vehicles have given us a hint of what to expect. Their current lineup features batteries with ranges up to 621 miles, 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. So, we can safely assume the EVE would have some impressive numbers to back up its futuristic looks. But let's not forget about NOMI's onboard AI system that makes this car feel like your own personal assistant. NOMI is designed to anticipate your needs, handle tasks, and even engage in casual conversation. Now, before you ask, how much does this dream cost? Well, that's the catch. The NIO EVE remains a concept for now, meaning you can't exactly swipe your credit card and drive it home. The NIO EVE concept isn't just about looks or even technology, it's about redefining what transportation could be. Picture a future where traffic jams don't matter because you're too busy napping, working, or binge-watching your favorite shows inside your car.